Want to learn how to make a spicy green smoothie? Stick around, I'll show you how. You'll need 1 large jar, an immersion blender or a regular blender, leafy greens, here I'll use baby spinach and arugula, 1 avocado, 1/3 of an English cucumber, or you could use a regular cucumber, but with a regular cucumber I just remove the seeds. 1/2 lemon. I usually roll it before I cut it so you can get the most juice out of it. 1/4 cup of coriander. Here I'll just remove the stems and compost them. For spices I use 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or less if you don't like it spicy, and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh chopped garlic. 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 cup of distilled water. Let's begin. So I'll pack in the leafy greens and the coriander. Then I make sure to cover it all with the water. I'll add more water if needed. Now I'll add the spices, nutritional yeast. These are superfoods and they're optional. Now for the cucumbers, avocado, now I'll squeeze half the lemon, and this is the part where I'm taking off the seeds, and stir.